€10 الكيلو.
عامل 5 يورو.
This one is a million. And then this is so cute. And they're amazing.
Come on, come on.
So the market is in the harbor. This is so amazing. It's beautiful, guys. Hello everyone! Today is Sunday and we are going to the famous Sunday market here in Marsaxlokk. It is in the southern part of Malta. Let's go! Welcome to Marsaxlokk. This is the Sunday market. It's famous here in Malta. It's early in the morning. It's 8 o'clock. But there's lots of sellers and tourists and locals going here to buy something. There's a lot of stuffs to buy in this beautiful coastal southern town of Malta, Marsaxlokk. There's lots of boats. This is so beautiful, guys. Good morning from Malta. Wow. There are hundreds of colorful boats everywhere. This is so beautiful. These are the beautiful houses, beautiful balconies here in Marsaxlokk. Wow. They are colorful, guys. I love it here. This is just beside the market. This is the market. And these are the beautiful houses. There are lots of restaurants here. Very beautiful. We're going to the church. Let's just follow this road. It's picturesque. The view is really amazing. So this is a must-see town here in the southern part of Malta. This is beautiful, guys. The view of the church from here is really stunning. And the port, of course. So let's start our Malta journey. Travel from here where this beautiful coast. Good morning, guys. This is the market. Welcome to the Sunday market here in Marsaxlokk. There are many people today. There are Filipinos here. They're selling many things. Many stuffs. Foods. Wow. So the market is in the harbor. This is so amazing. It's beautiful, guys. There's some... We're offering boat tours here. This park. Maybe it's 1 or 2 kilometer stretch of the harbor going to the church. So this is the view. There are so many people today. So many tourists and locals buying something. I think it's here. It's really cheap to buy something. So they are selling lots of things, foods, accessories, and everything. Nice, it's nice to be here. Beautiful terrace. It's really beautiful here. There are tourists taking photos. That's a flag of Malta. Wow, I think this is so wonderful. This view. And that's the market. It's a lovely church over there. Let's go there. Wow, Malta. Everything is beautiful. This is so nice, guys. Let's walk around in this beautiful market. Sunday market at Marsaxlokk, Malta. This beautiful one island, one nation. Malta has several islands. No tourists are here. They arrive here to buy something. There's a lot of service. There are fish. There are so many fish here. Oh, there are many fish. Wow, there are so many fish. There are fish.
Una bellissima, sessuna perché? Andavo? No scherzo.
€10 il chilo.
A me fai più, lo dico. Come da danza? Abbiamo 10 kg
Ikot lang pare.
No, don't give me.
Wow, this is so huge. There are lots of food. This one is a huge. And then this is so big. And there are
Come on, the one.
There are so many people. There are more food. There are so many. There are so many food. Wow, this is there are also fruits here, fruits, and more fruits and vegetables. It's time to go to the beautiful church. It's so beautiful. Let's go there, guys. Inside. Wow, it's beautiful. This town is a must. This is so beautiful, guys. The entrance is free. So we went inside. Wow, it's huge. There are 365 churches here in Malta, and this is one of them. This is very nice. There are many shops, and this is a small square in front going to the arbor and to the Sunday market. We are going to the other side of the Sunday market. There are some souvenirs here. Souvenirs. Tote bags. And any kind of souvenir. So they're selling here. The market is huge. There are like hundreds or maybe 100 shops that are selling any kind of stuffs. And there are restaurants, beautiful buildings. There's a huge boat here. This boat is very nice. It's picturesque. And the arbor. Wow. There are fruits and more dress clothes. Toys for kids. This super nice. And that's the panorama boats and more. There are thousands of tourists today. It's nice. Palm trees and tourists and more tourists. Again, welcome to Marsaxlokk, Malta. Beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is actually a hotel. But the terrace and the doors are painted with different colors. So beautiful. Amazing. So Marsaxlokk has also a beautiful beach for the family here, and it is near the harbor. So this is the beach. Beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more travel videos. See you soon!